What am I gonna do? Jasmine won't even let me talk to her. I should have known I couldn't pull off this stupid prince wish.
So move. Hey. That's a good move. I can't believe it. I'm losing to a rug.
Genie, I need help.
All right, Sparky, here's the deal. If you want to court the little lady, you gotta be a straight shooter. Do you got it?
What?
Tell her the truth!
No way! If Jasmine found out I was really some crummy street rat, she'd laugh at me.
A woman appreciates a man who can make her laugh. Al, all joking aside, you really ought to be yourself.
Hey, that's the last thing I want to be. Okay, I'm gonna go see her. I gotta be smooth, cool, confident. How do I look?
Like a prince.
Princess Jasmine?
Who's there?
It's me, Prince Ali.
Prince Ali, Babwa.
I do not want to see you.
No, please, Princess, give me a chance.
Just leave me alone.
Down, Kitty.
So how's our little beau doing?
Look, a mouse. Come on, good, Kitty. Just take off. Down, Kitty.
Wait. Do I know you?
No. No.
You remind me of someone I met in the marketplace.
The marketplace? I have servants who go to the marketplace for me. Why, I even have servants who go to the marketplace for my servants, so it couldn't have been me you met.
No. I guess not.
Enough about you, Casanova. Talk about her.
Huh?
She's smart, fun, the hair, the eyes, anything. Pick a feature.
Princess Jasmine, you're very...
Wonderful, magnificent, glorious, punctual.
punctual.
Punctual?
Sorry.
Beautiful.
Nice recovery.
I'm rich too, you know.
Yeah,
The daughter of a sultan.
I know.
A fine prize for any prince to marry.
Right. A prince like me.
Wine.
Right. A prince like you. And every other stuffed shirt, swaggering
wait.
peacock I've met.
Mayday!
Just go jump off a balcony.
What?
Stop her! Want me to sting her?
Buzz off.
Okay, fine. But remember, be yourself.
Yeah, right.
What?
You're right. You aren't just some prize to be won. You should be free to make your own choice. I'll go now.
No!
What?
How are you doing that?